AP SSC 10th class exam English paper important questions for June 2021. Friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. Today I am going to tell about the most important language paper, that is English paper of 10th class AP SSC English paper for June 2021. What are the important questions may appear in the public exams? Finally, this is very important video, and I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely so that you can get a perfect idea, exact information what kind of questions may appear in the public exams of June 2021. So in English paper of 10th class AP SSC, I suggest each and every student is most important. I want to say is, if you want to know the more details, of important questions for June 2021 of English paper, in the description below of this video, you can find the details of important questions and concepts and topics of English paper regarding June 2021 of 10th class AP SSC. So let us discuss some important topics. First and foremost thing is, students should be able to understand the concept. In the English paper itself, main concept is the grammar part. Students should be able to understand the grammar. If students are able to understand English language itself, is to get a very good knowledge. First thing is, to get a good marks in the public examination, grammar part is very important. If students are well perfect and understand the concept and meaning of grammar part, every student can get easily 90% of marks in the public examinations without any doubt for June 2021. I suggest each and every student to understand the meaning and concept, understand the paragraphs, passages, prose, poem, each and everything. The stories, the question and answers, the meaning, understanding, just not by learning, practicing. Always practice is also one of the most important point to get good marks, to get 90% of marks in the public examinations. Here are some of the concepts in which we are going to discuss, friends. The first one is personality development. Very important concept. In this, attitude is altitude. I will do it with an humor concept. The dear departed, number 1. The dear departed, number 2. Human relations. The journey once upon a time. What is my name? Next, nation, diversity, my childhood, a plea for India. Most important, friends, the most important. The nation and diversity, my childhood, a plea for India. So, wit and human, what is the definition? What is the meaning? English subject itself, in English paper, the grammar is very important. Once again I am telling, grammar part is very important. If you are really perfect in the grammar part, it is dead easy to get. It is very easy to get 90% of marks in the public examinations. It is very easy to get 90% of marks, 90 marks above in the public examinations. Finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel. And finally, I want to say is, in English paper, regarding important questions, if you want to know, in the description below of this video, you can find, in the description below of this video, you can find the important informations regarding of English paper of June 2021. If you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my update in next video. Thank you so much.